Hey, it's Vaz here from Aussie Playground, and we are here to speed test the Pirates 2 from ZD Racing. Now, I did get this truck as a roller, and as you'll see, I've installed my electrics as such. I've got my old Sabertooth motor. I've got 120 amp ESC, which is from RC Gear Shop. This is an old ESC that's no longer available from Tower Hobbies. I think it's just a rebranded Hobby Wing ESC. I've got a steering servo from my Sen Racing Reaper that I took out of that. I've got an old 3S pack, which I think came with the Cheetah, or one of my Cheetahs it came with. And of course I'm running some adapters here just so that I can run that particular battery. I'm running the stock pinion, so this is the pinion that was actually provided, and that's pretty much it. That's the whole setup. Now, somebody asked me in the unboxing what those little loops were on top here, and that's really just to guide the cables, I suppose. So it's a fairly neat little setup. We're going to see what speed we can get out of this guy. We're going to run it on 3S and then we'll run it on 4S and just see how we go. Okay, first run, 3S. Just checking my trims. Oh, it's actually pretty good. That's probably going to be far enough. Alright, here we go. It's not super quick. 49, that's okay. For 3S. 49 kilometers an hour, that's not too bad, that's not too bad. Could probably use with a couple of extra teeth on the pinion, I reckon, with that motor. It's a very low kV. There's a car? Yeah. We'll pull over to the side just briefly. Okay, here we go. Next one, Noah. How much, sorry? 53 that time. 53, not too bad, not too shabby. It's working well, it's working well. Alright, let's do one more. How much? 52. 52, thank you very much. Alright, let's check our GPS. Bring it over here. And the GPS says 48. Oh, that's a little bit out. Normally those two are pretty close together, but 48 on the GPS. Alright, we'll split the difference and go 50 Ks. That's probably about right. Alright, let's go 4S and see what happens. Okie dokie. 4S. I'm running a 5500 milliamp Gens Ace 45C. And I'll have a link in the description for that battery if you want to get one. Here we go, Noah. $68. That's not too shabby. That's not too shabby at all. 68 kilometers an hour. Thank you very much. And we have a four-wheel drive headed our way. Now, I will give you guys a bit of a heads up as well with this truck. The tow and camber settings on this were very badly done. I had to adjust everything out of the box. Clear behind, Noah? Yeah. Yeah? Otherwise the truck would not drive the way that he drives right now. Here we go. How much? 68 again. So pretty consistent. We're not going to crack 70 by the looks of things, unless the GPS is going to tell us something different. It is pulling slightly to the left. Just give it that a slight adjustment. That looks a little bit better. All right, here we go. Final run. Clear behind.
Yeah.
Oi. How much? 70. We finally did it. 70 Ks an hour, and our GPS says what exactly? 69. So okay, that's pretty good. 69, 70. Stock pinion, running that 1850 kV motor from the Hobby King Sabertooth that I had quite a number of years ago, actually. Alright, that is it for me. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.